Hello mga ka-wisdom! Welcome to Wisdom is Power Channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat! Today we're going to discuss the addition of algebraic expressions. So to add expressions, we simply combine like terms by adding their coefficients while keeping the variables and their exponents the same. So, yun lang ang rules natin, ano? I-combine lang natin, ang i-add lang natin yung mga may like terms. Pag sinabi nating like terms, same ang kanyang exponent, same ang kanyang variable. Okay? So, let's proceed. So, say for example, we have an expression 3x plus 5 plus 2x plus 4. So, obviously, 3x and 2x are like terms. So, 3x plus 2x, so, i-combine mo siya, then, combine din yung constant. So, that is 5 plus 4. So, 3x plus 2x is simply 5x, and 5 plus 4 is simply plus 9. So, the answer for this, the sum for this expression is equals to 5x plus 9. So find the sum of 3x plus 5y minus 6z and x minus 4y plus 2z. So again, combine like terms. So 3x and x. So 3x plus x is simply 4x. Then positive 5y minus 4y. Also 5 minus 4, that is 1. No? So since the variable is y, so simply 5 plus minus 4 is simply y. Then negative 6z plus 2z. So that is, i-apply din natin yung sign numbers, ano? This is negative 6 and the other one is positive 2. So simply we get the difference. Then susundin natin kung nasaan yung sign nung mas malaking number, which is nasa negative 6. So our answer will be negative 4z. So let's have more practice problems. So determine the sum of the following expressions. So 3x plus 5y minus 6z and x minus 4y plus 2z. So again, combine like terms. So 3x plus x is simply 4x. 5y minus 4y is simply plus y. And negative 6z plus 2z is negative 4z. So this is our uh, answer for the expression. So problem number 2, 5a plus 3b plus 2a plus 6b. So again, combine like terms. So 5a plus 2a is simply 7a. Then 3b plus 6b is equals to 9b. So our answer or the sum is equals to 7a plus 9b. So for practice problem number 3, 2m squared minus 3m plus 4 and 5m squared plus m plus 1. So again, combine like terms. So 2m squared plus 5m squared. So that will be equals to 7m squared. So negative 3m plus m. So again, mas malaki yung 3 compared dun sa 1m lang. No? So we all know naman na meron siyang invisible numerical coefficient na 1. So, negative 3 plus 1. So, obviously, that is negative 2m. Then, getting the sum of the constant. So, plus 4 plus 1. So, that is equals to plus 5. So, the sum will be equals to 7m squared minus 2m plus 5. Practice problem number 4. So, 25a squared plus 36b plus 9 and 2a squared minus 19b minus 30. So that is 25 plus 2, that will be equals to 27. Then i-attach lang natin yung kanyang variables and the exponent. So that is a squared. So 36 minus 19b, 36b minus 19b. So that is the difference of 17. So, i-attach natin yung plus sign dahil mas malaki yung 36. Then 9 minus 30, okay? Okay, so kukunin uli natin yung kanilang difference dahil magkaiba sila ng sign numbers o 9 sign. So, ang difference nila ay 21. So, since yung negative ay nasa mas malaking number, so ang susundin natin yung negative sign ng mas malaking number. So, that is negative 21. So, the answer is 27a squared plus 17b minus 21. Practice problem number 5. So, again, combine like terms. So, x squared plus 3x squared, that will be equals to 4x squared. Si 2x, wala siyang like terms dun sa kabilang ah, ah, expression natin. So, i-retain lang natin siya o simply copy lang, ano? So, plus 2x. Then, yung 3 and 4, parehong constant. So, 3 plus 4 is simply 7. So, the answer will be 4x squared plus 2x plus 7. So, let's have another set of practice problems. So, for problem number 6, so 5x squared minus 36xy plus 40 plus the expression 2x squared plus 19xy minus 30. So, simply combine like terms. So, 5x squared and 2x squared are like terms. So, simply add the coefficients. So, 7x squared. So, again, this time, negative 36xy, then plus 19xy. So, they have different sign numbers or sign. So, we will get the difference. Then, ang gagamitin nating sign ay kung nasaan yung mas malaking number. So, their difference is 17. So, since yung sign ng mas malaking number na 36 ay negative, so ang negative ang gagamitin natin. So, negative 17xy. So, plus 40 minus 30. So, that is simply positive 10. So, the answer is 7x squared minus 17xy plus 10. Problem number 7. So, r squared, get the sum of r squared minus 3rs plus 2. And 6r squared minus 8rs minus 14. So, simply r squared plus 6r squared. So, we all know, meron tayong indivisible 1 doon sa r squared. So, that is 7r squared. So, negative 3rs plus negative 8rs, they have the same sign numbers. So, they are both negative. So, kukopyahin lang natin, ano, yung kanyang sign. Then, add yung kanyang numerical coefficient. So, negative 11rs. So, positive 2 minus 14, that will be equals to negative 12. For problem number 7, oh, that will be, it should be 7, okay? 7x cubed minus 8xy squared minus 35 plus 2x squared plus 19x squared plus 7y cubed. So, since yung 7x cubed, wala siyang katulad, no? So, ibababa lang natin, no? Wala siyang like terms. So, ibababa lang natin. Okay? Then, the same with 2x squared, wala siyang katulad, no? So, wala siyang ka-like terms. So, kopyahin lang natin. Yung negative 8x, the 19x squared y, wala rin siyang katulad. So, kopya lang. So, yung minus 8xy squared, kopya din lang. So, magkaiba yung 19x squared saka yung 8xy squared, ano? Dahil yung squared ay nasa x, yung kabila naman, ang squared niya ay nasa y. So, magkaiba yan. So, unlike terms sila. So, yung y cube, so wala rin siya. At yung negative 35, wala rin siya. So, kokopyahin lang natin lahat ng ating mga variables or terms. Okay? So, practice problem number 9. 3x cubed minus 8x squared y squared minus 21 plus 4x cubed plus 19x squared y squared plus 7y cubed. So, meron ng katulad, meron ng like term. So, 3x cubed plus 4x cubed, that will be 7x cubed. So, ito like terms na rin. So, negative and positive. So, kukunin lang natin yung difference nila, then copy the variables and exponents. So that is positive 11x squared y squared. Bakit naging positive? Kasi mas malaki yung sign numbers nung mas malaking number. Ano? So, doon pumunta 19. So, mas malaki yan kaysa sa 8. So, since ang sign nung 19 ay positive, so gagamitin natin ay positive. So, since yung 7y cube ay walang katulad, no? So, kukopyahin lang natin. Then yung 21, walang other constant. Then, kukopyahin din lang natin. So, the answer for number 9 is 7x cubed plus 11x squared y squared plus 7y cubed minus 21. So, that's all mga ka-wisdom. Again, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat!